Welcome to AI Decoded, where we make artificial intelligence accessible and practical for everyday life. In today's episode, we're cracking the code on machine learning and productivity. We'll journey through the realm of machine learning, a dynamic technology that learns and adapts from data, and discover how it can supercharge our efficiency. From personal tasks to professional workflows, we'll reveal how machine learning can be harnessed to boost productivity. Today, we're going to explore how this incredible technology can make our lives easier and more efficient. If you're excited to learn how machine learning can boost your productivity, hit that like button and drop a comment below. We want to hear your thoughts. Are you ready for the future of productivity? Are you ready to discover how technology can transform the way you work and live? Do you want to be part of the machine learning revolution? If so, you're in the right place. We're about to embark on an exciting adventure into the world of machine learning. Now, let's dive into the world of machine learning. So, what exactly is machine learning? It's not as complex as it sounds. Think of it as a process where a computer system learns from data, much like how we humans learn from our experiences. In traditional programming, we give the computer a set of rules to follow, and it executes tasks based on those rules. But in machine learning, we feed the computer data, and it figures out the rules on its own. It's a subtle shift, but it makes a world of difference. Instead of being confined to a predefined set of instructions, a machine learning system can adapt and improve as it encounters new data. It's like a child learning to walk. They stumble, they fall, but they keep trying until they figure it out. Essentially, machine learning is a way for computers to learn from experience and become smarter over time. You might be wondering, how does machine learning apply to me? Well, it's more pervasive in our everyday lives than you might think. From the moment you wake up, machine learning is at work. How? Ever notice how your favorite music streaming app seems to know exactly what song you want to hear next? Or how online shopping platforms recommend products that you might like? That's machine learning in action, using your past behavior to make accurate, personalized recommendations. Then there's automation. Industries across the board, from manufacturing to healthcare, are using machine learning to automate routine tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on more complex and creative duties. This not only saves time but also increases efficiency and productivity, and these examples are just scratching the surface. From traffic prediction to fraud detection, machine learning is revolutionizing the way we live and work. These applications are just the tip of the iceberg. Machine learning impacts our lives in countless ways. Let's bring it closer to home. How can machine learning help us in our daily lives? Well, it's already doing it in ways you might not realize. Take your email inbox as an example. Smart email filters use machine learning to sort through the chaos, learning from your actions to improve their accuracy over time. They can identify spam, categorize emails, and even prioritize them based on your past interactions. Then there are task management tools. These applications use machine learning to understand your work habits, making recommendations to help you stay organized and focused. They learn from your routine, suggesting the best times to schedule meetings or set aside time for deep work. Some even learn from your writing style to help you draft emails or reports faster. And the beauty of it all, these tools learn from our habits and preferences, continually improving their performance. In professional settings, machine learning can be a game changer. Imagine a world where your data analysis tasks are automated, where predictive modeling helps you anticipate industry trends and customer needs. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now with machine learning. Consider the process of data analysis. Traditionally, it's a time-consuming task that requires considerable human effort. But with machine learning, we can train algorithms to sift through large amounts of data, identify patterns, and deliver insights. This not only saves time, but also provides a level of accuracy that is often beyond human capabilities. Similarly, predictive modeling, a technique used to forecast future events, can be significantly enhanced with machine learning. Machine learning algorithms can digest past data, learn from it, and predict future trends with a higher degree of accuracy. By automating routine tasks and providing actionable insights, machine learning can significantly increase work efficiency. Beyond productivity, machine learning can also help us solve complex problems. Diving into the nitty-gritty, machine learning algorithms can identify patterns within massive amounts of data, patterns that would otherwise be impossible for humans to discern. For instance, consider a business grappling with fluctuating market trends. Machine learning can analyze vast amounts of market data, pinpoint trends, and even predict future movements. But how exactly does this happen? Well, by feeding the machine learning model with historical data, it learns and adapts to the information, ultimately creating a knowledge base. When new data is introduced, it uses this knowledge base to make predictions or decisions. This process, called training the model, is a cornerstone of machine learning. This isn't just limited to market trends. From healthcare to climate change, machine learning is being leveraged to tackle some of the most challenging problems of our time. By learning from data, machine learning can provide unique insights and solutions that might not be obvious to the human eye. One of the most powerful aspects of machine learning is its ability to learn from your data. This capacity allows individuals and businesses alike to harness the power of their own data to train machine learning models. You see, every interaction you have with technology leaves behind a digital footprint, a trail of data. Machine learning algorithms can sift through this vast amount of information, identifying patterns and drawing insights that would be nearly impossible for a human to detect. For instance, an online retailer might use purchase history and customer behavior data to train a machine learning model for predicting future buying trends. Similarly, a professional might use their work habits data to train an AI tool that helps manage their tasks and time more effectively. These are just the tip of the iceberg. The possibilities are endless when it comes to leveraging your own data. The more data it has, the better it gets at making predictions and decisions. While machine learning offers many benefits, it also comes with its own set of challenges. One of the most common obstacles is data privacy. Machine learning thrives on data, but with the increasing concerns over privacy, it's crucial to handle information responsibly. This involves anonymizing data and following strict privacy regulations. Another challenge is understanding the outputs of machine learning models. These models are often complex, and their decision-making processes can be opaque. This is known as the black box problem. To address this, researchers are developing methods for explainable AI that make the workings of these models more transparent. Additionally, the quality and quantity of data can affect the performance of machine learning models. Having a large volume of high-quality data is important, but it can be time-consuming and expensive to gather. Finally, effective implementation requires a certain level of expertise. Therefore, investing in training or partnering with experienced professionals can be beneficial. Despite these challenges, the benefits of machine learning far outweigh the difficulties. Looking forward, the future of productivity with machine learning is exciting. As machine learning algorithms become more sophisticated, they will be able to learn from our activities in ways we can't even envision yet. Imagine a world where your digital assistant not only organizes your calendar but also predicts your energy levels and schedules tasks accordingly. Machine learning could also revolutionize the way we work as a team. By analyzing patterns in successful project outcomes, it could provide insights on optimal team composition, task allocation, and even conflict resolution. In the realm of personal productivity, we could see machine learning applications that help us break bad habits, develop new skills, or even manage our mental well-being. And let's not forget about automation. As machine learning gets better at understanding context, the possibilities for automation are endless. As technology continues to evolve, machine learning will play an increasingly important role in our productivity. As we've seen, machine learning has the potential to greatly improve our productivity. It's not just a tech buzzword, but a powerful tool that adapts and learns from data, fueling personalized recommendations, industry automation, and even your email filters. It optimizes workflows, aids in complex problem solving, and helps us learn from our own data. Challenges exist, of course, such as data privacy concerns and understanding model outputs, but the rewards often outweigh the risks. The future holds even more promise, with advancements that could revolutionize our productivity. The key is to start integrating machine learning into our daily routines, using the wealth of resources available. Remember, balance is crucial. While automation can boost efficiency, human judgment remains irreplaceable. Share your own experiences and plans with machine learning. Your insights could inspire others and help shape future content. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of machine learning. Stay tuned for more insights into the fascinating world of AI. We hope you found this video insightful and informative. It's your turn now. How are you planning to use machine learning to boost your productivity? Share your thoughts, plans, or experiences in the comments below. Your insights could help us tailor our future content to your needs and interests. And remember, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Share it with your friends and colleagues, and do subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. We have a lot more exciting information to share about AI and its applications. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see your comments.